Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix green screen issue on any iPhone. So I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. So guys, let's get this fix this problem. So how can fix this issue on any iPhone? So first of all, you have adjust iPhone display setting. So we have open the setting and then scroll up, then you have click on display and brightness, and you have showed true tone is turned on. First of all, you have true tone is turned on your iPhone. Then you have second solution. You have force the restart your iPhone. So how can force restart? Volume up button and volume down button. When you power button not increase, then will be see appears Apple logo on your screen. Then second solution is not working on your iPhone. Their third solution, you have reset all setting. So if your green issue an iPhone, if because of your personal setting, you can go to the iPhone setting, open the setting, and then you have click on general, scroll up, then you have transfer or reset all setting. iPhone given a passcode on your iPhone, then not lose any data, any video, any iPhone phone photos on your iPhone, not delete, only reset all setting and then fix this issue. And other solution, you have update iOS version. So again open the setting and then click on general software update, click, and then you have seen on your mobile iPhone, you have see the latest iOS version available on your iPhone, you have installed on your iPhone. And then last solution, you have content Apple sports. If you think there is a hardware issue and you cannot fix it, you can contact Apple sport solution and then fix this problem. Then hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know if you have any problem. So please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel.